most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Rightly said by Nelson Mandela. Respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends, a very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Tejas Renith of Class 5 of West College International School. Today I am here to speak a few words about the role of education in the creation of model society. Education has a great social importance in every human's life, especially in these modern, complex, industrialized societies. Philosophers of all periods, beginning with ancient times, have devoted a great deal of attention to it. Why is education so important? The importance of education cannot be stated enough. It is a self-enlightening process. It is very crucial for the overall development of an individual and the society at large. School years are grounding years for one's education. Schools are institutions that lay the foundation of a child's development. Education makes a man complete. It lays the foundation of a stronger nation. But is syllabus and textbook-based knowledge sufficient for that? No. Why? The great Indian philosopher Kautilya has highlighted the fact that education enriches people's understanding of themselves and others. So, to understand one's feeling, one should have the same feeling within himself or herself. There comes the importance of teaching moral values to children. What are morals? Morals are rules which people use to guide their behavior and thinking. Children are taught in various environments, at home, school, movies, by reading books and by friends. Whatever they are taught will guide them into decision making and problem solving. If morals are not taught, they will make decisions based on immediate needs and desires, not on sound judgment. At this juncture, I would like to mention a shocking statistics revealed by NEA that the three values that are most endangered today are respect, responsibility and honesty. Now, let us look at some of the traits of moral education or character education. Responsibility. It means being accountable in words or deed. Perseverance means pursuing worthy objectives. Caring means showing understanding of others, which includes showing kindness, compassion, forgiveness, etc. Honesty means telling the truth and admitting wrongdoing. And above all, love and respect, showing high regard for authority, self and the country. Parents provide the most constant and visible models of behavior associated with character development of a child. Their approach has a great impact on the child pertaining to moral issues. Let me say that children are to be provided with a strong base about moral values at a very young age. As today's children are tomorrow's citizens, their culture and behavior is very much concerned, which in turn tempts most to become generous citizens of tomorrow. As said by Aristotle, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Every single one of you has something to do with it. Every single one of you has something to offer. And you have a responsibility to yourself to discover what that is. That is opportunity education can provide.